Hell yeah.
How do we take it places though? Does it fit in our backpack? Oh shit. Buddy.
Ready? I'm gonna jump off this hoe.
Yeah. Wait. Where should we head?
Oh, I know where to go. I know where to go. Follow me, buddy.
How do you do it?
You just jump and then it's the up and down.
Oh my god, it's WASD. Oh, this is pretty fucking sick.
This
though,
is pretty
dude.
sweet. Gain some speed. Oh, you do not gain speed.
I'm going fast, dude. You know where you're going? You pull your map up mid fucking air.
Cannot. But we need to go over here though. It's somewhere by this water. I remember right. Now how you land is something else.
I don't know.
Woo! This is pretty sweet.
Give me children news now. Is it right over here, buddy?
Yeah, it's somewhere around here. I don't remember exactly where the dot is, but this seems like a good spot to land.
Going over the lake.
Yeah, do a little fly.
Oh, there's a bunch of monkeys down there waiting for us, bro. Dude, I think that might be like an infinite height glitch. Yeah, I'm not losing altitude.
Yeah, I don't think you can. You probably gain altitude doing this shit. It seems like it's fine, but...
No, I just slowed down so much after trying to go up.
Is it over here?
Oh shit, I just stopped like completely. You like lean all the way back. Oh, that's how you land though. Yeah, that's a good way to land.
No, that ain't it right there.
Yeah, that's it right there, buddy. Yeah, perfect. Oh, but it stays right here? Oh shit.
Oh shit, I'm going into the trees. Oh shit, Butro. Oh shit.
Oh no.
Doing a flyby.
Dude, you should totally be able to drop grenades from these things. Bomb fucking cannibal villages, bro.
So you just run around the fucking thing?
Yeah.
How do you land?
Go back, and then like, go forward a bit. And then go back, go all the way back, go all the way back.
I throw my armor too.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna wear my creepy armor first.
What the fuck is that? A crossbow?
You just got a crossbow over here?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I've been looking for that fucking thing.
What is this?
Powers or something?
Then give me hella energy.
Energy units. Hold on, let me hotkey this crossbow. Real quick, buddy. What is that for? Where is it?
Interesting.
You have it too.
Yeah, the guitar, yeah.
It's probably not very good.
Regenerate. I can't carry anymore.
I'm full. Missed a crate over here though. Okay, cool. It's I really don't have any 9mm.
I don't understand how you work on a game for like 3 years and not have it ready, to be honest.
Seriously though, but like the last game, they only had it in pre-release for like 6 or something months, 8 months or something, which is actually pretty good. Found the Pumpkin family. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Do you
buddy.
see anything?
Yeah, it's totally just came in.
What
the fuck?
That thing is mad creepy, bro.
Oh. Out of stamina, buddy. I'm out of stamina. Shoot it.
Oh, I'm dead.
No way.
What happened?
No way, you're dead. That thing crept up on you hard.
What was
bro. Another one.
That scared the shit out of me, bro.
Shit, bro. Shit. I'm whipping out the 12.
Come get me up, buddy. Come get me up.
I tried. Did it not get you up?
No.
Fuck. Yeah, whip out the 12. Whip out the 12, bro.
Oh. Oh!
Buddy. Oh shit, I gotta reload. Shit.
Dude, Walter's coming after me, bro.
Dude, I only have slugs left, I think, bro.
Oh,
shit.
Walter's down.
Oh shit.
Gene's on some shit, though, bro. Oh, shit. Shit.
You seeing these dodge maneuvers right now, buddy?
Hold on, I'm reloading, so. Oh. Dude, Gene is not happy with you, bro.
How do you know it's Gene?
I'm just fucking making up some gay-ass old people names. Hold still, bitch.
Oh shit. I shot it in the ass. All I have are slugs, bro.
Oh!
Skinning it. I'm gonna skin it.
Skinner. Dude, she one-shotted the shit out of me, bro.
Yeah, she did, bro. That's why I put on the creepypasta skin.
I didn't do anything to the golden armor.
I know, but the way the creepypasta skin works is just it doesn't take away from your health.
Oh, Barbara and Virginia.
I'm eating their food, bro.
Sick.